Good afternoon, MarineMax friends and family. This is Thatcher, and today we're looking at a 2021 Ranger 200C. We'll take you around the exterior and the interior and show you all the great features this boat has to offer. Starting on the outside, as you can see, this boat does have painted tunes. This is going to keep you from seeing any of the waterline that you typically see on the silver tri-tunes. This is a pontoon design, as you can see, with your two tunes. You do have some splash guards on the exterior to keep water from spraying into the boat. Now follow me inside and let's take a look at some of the features on the interior. Now that we're in the interior of this boat, as you can see, this has a very open design, plenty of seats, very simple. Very simple means you're not going to have a lot of issues going on with the boat. So up here at the bow section, you have two bench style seats, plenty of room for all your friends and family. All of it is in very good condition. No stress cracks or stitching that's coming out from the boat. Floor is very clean. You do have a table mount here in the rear, and back here on your port side you have another large seating area, as well as this boat is equipped with a bimini that's going to give you shade over your cockpit area. So if you like this Ranger or any other boat you see in our online inventory, stop by Grand Lake MarineMax today. Thanks.